See this product here, this product right here. A lot of people confuse it with a concrete look finish, but it's not a concrete look finish. This one here, see this paper here? This is a linen adhesive wallpaper, okay? What is this, Ed? Linen wallpaper. This is the product you should put on the wall in your house. Hey guys, how are you doing? All good? Grab some paper and a pen and write this down because I'm gonna tell you right now. The best items, the best decorations, really cheap, costing almost nothing for you to decorate your house. As you guys requested, lots of comments here. Bring us a video with decoration items, decorative stuff, so we can decorate our living room without spending much. So, I brought it for you here now in this video. Enjoy and go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, okay? Go ahead and like this video because I'm sure you're going to enjoy it, absolutely sure, alright? And leave your comment too. And for all these items that I'm going to show you here now in this video, their purchase links are down below in the description. I'm going to give you tips and suggestions for products you can use to decorate your living room, and I'll also show you the source where I buy these products, alright? So, let's go, let's get to the video. First item, this one right here, costing only RM150, RM159.99, RM160, okay? Multi-purpose buffet sideboard, inexpensive, perfect for you to put in that corner of your living room. This sideboard here is for you if you want to put that coffee machine, that nice drink you like to have at home behind the sofa in that little entryway. Why not? So, inexpensive, RM160. It's about 1 meter wide, 70 centimeters high, and 30 centimeters deep. The link is down below in the description. I'll leave the specifications for you as well. And we're already starting off with a great price, okay? Want to decorate your home? Want to decorate that little corner of your living room? Especially that small entryway corner with a console table? This little model here is the most recommended. It's the cheapest one. I'll also leave other models for you down here in the video description, okay? I'll leave 4 models of console tables for you. This one, which is the cheapest, at RM160, and some going up to RM300, a little over RM300, okay? But they're all cheap, guys. Really cheap for you to decorate. I'm sure you're missing a little console table in your house, that nice piece of furniture for you to put your coffee machine on, and some nice decorations right there. Look, let's start off strong here to help you decorate your living room, alright? The second item, which is a viral hit, is one of the most requested and chosen by people of all incomes. A slatted panel can be made of MDF or even plastic. Who wouldn't want to have a slatted panel on their TV wall? On the side right next to your bed, okay? On a wall in the guest bathroom or in various rooms of your house. Now let's talk specifically about the living room. Slatted panel in your living room. This model I picked out for you here. There are several, okay? There are several links down below in the description. I'm picking out some models here for you. You can buy it in long pieces, about 20 to 30 centimeters wide. So, then you buy the panels, you'll measure the height of your wall, your TV room, and you'll measure the width. You'll see in the specifications in the link I left here that it shows the width of each model you choose. Then you add them up to know how many you'll need for your home. But pay attention. Slatted panels are one of the products, one of the most requested, most striking and beautiful decoration styles that clients always ask me for. In new projects, in current projects, and especially when we're revamping the decor of a house or an apartment. I think I want the slatted panel, so keep that in mind. A slatted panel is a timeless decoration. I consider it a timeless decoration. It will never go out of style. What I always advise you, what I always say here in the videos is this. Don't overdo it. Don't put slatted panels on this wall, the back wall, or the entry wall. Don't fill the place with slatted panels. On the contrary, choose one wall, pick a nice color for the slatted panel and put it there. You'll see the luxury and the transformation it will bring to your space, alright? So, slatted panels. I also left some links here for you, affordable ones, where you can buy and decorate your living room. Glue down vinyl flooring. You don't want to tear up your floor? You don't have the money to remove and install new porcelain tiles, but you'd like to change the flooring in your house. Here's this excellent option. The only thing you'll need to do to your floor to install glued vinyl flooring, that kind of vinyl flooring, is to even out the grout lines. That's it. You're going to apply a little bit of compound there, mortar, and acrylic compound on the grout lines with a trowel or a spatula to level it out. Because we know that between the joints of each floor tile, there's a little curve, you know? That little dip there, that small depression going down, will cause waves in your vinyl flooring if you install it directly without treating the grout lines. So level the grout lines first, all right? Acrylic compound mortar, that's fine, and some other compounds as well. And then you glue the vinyl flooring directly on top of your floor in your room, and it's inexpensive. If you compare it with any other type of flooring like porcelain tiles, laminate, or vinyl, the traditional glued one, the one that uses glue, which is actually made of PVC, will be much more expensive. If you choose one of these floors, this one, the glued one, has the same looks, the same styles, and it's much easier. And best of all, pay attention to what I'm going to tell you now. You can install it yourself. You can install it yourself, okay? You don't need to hire a professional. Just watch some videos here on YouTube, and you'll be able to install this glued vinyl flooring in your living room, your bedroom, the entrance hall, in any room in your house, and you'll spend very little, okay? Renovating the floor and spending very little. Since it's a vinyl floor, it uses a very strong adhesive, so it will last a long time in your house, and it's even water resistant. You can even wash this floor many times without worry with this self-adhesive vinyl flooring installed over your existing floor. Linen Ottoman. Guys, this product here is one that the last few times I recommended it, people bought a lot and really liked it. This model of Ottoman. I've said it before, and I always say it here in the videos on the channel, that it's not that colorful Ottoman that you're gonna put in your house, okay? It's not that green, yellow, blue, white one. It's not that kind of Ottoman. It's this one here, Linen Ottoman. The same price you would pay for that Ottoman, you would pay for this one here, okay? All right, this one is a little more expensive, but when it comes to your home's decor, like I said, you'll spend very little and have a beautiful decoration. A modern item, something that will complement the decor of your space, your living room, and it's a very functional product, okay? If you're running out of space in your living room, like you get visitors and sometimes you're missing that chair, that little stool, that extra seat, well, here you go, a linen ottoman, okay? There are some sets that I left for you in the description with links for 2 for just 1. Guys, 4080 raised 6200. It depends on what you want, okay? I left several links here for you to choose from, but keep this in mind, pay attention. It's not that green or yellow Ottoman with a team logo with a superhero decoration. It's not that one, okay? That one we'll leave for our kids' room, all right? For your living room, your TV room, your living room, it's this model here that you're going to choose. The linen ottoman to put in your living room will decorate it, and you're really going to like it. A large plant pot to decorate your living room, why not? Let's put that cool, beautiful vase over there in the corner of our living room. That special touch is missing in your TV room, in your living room. That highlight is missing there. You don't know what to do here, huh? A large plant pot to decorate that corner of your living room? And if you have time, like I have a little bit of time in my life, in my daily routine, put a real plant, that's great. I like it a lot, but if you don't have time, if you're really busy, working all day, on weekends you like to go out, just put an artificial plant, there's no problem at all. There are a lot of people who like it, a lot of people who don't. It depends on your time. Do you have time to take care of a real plant? Great. If not, just put an artificial one there and use a big plant pot. Right there in that corner of your living room, there's the TV stand, and then right next to your TV stand. Something's missing, man. This corner is empty. Something's missing in my living room. It's missing that touch, that feeling of nature. Put a big plant pot there and take the opportunity to add a plant too, so you can see the difference, the change it will make in your space. Just a simple product, a big pot with a plant. Do you see this product here? This product here, a lot of people use it, a lot of people confuse it with a concrete look finish, but it's not a concrete look finish. This one, look, do you see this paper here? This is self-adhesive linen look wallpaper, okay? What is this? It's like linen look wallpaper. This is the product you should put on the wall there in your house, okay guys? It's not that floral wallpaper full of decorative stuff that looks like a carnival, right? That's not the wallpaper you're going to put up. It's this one, look, this one, it's in my office here. When you run your hand over it, you get that feeling of touching linen fabric, okay? This is the product you're going to use, this wallpaper here, this one, it's a concrete look effect. But the links down below in the description are models that I use in my projects. For example, to decorate the headboard wall in the bedroom. Most of them, for example, if I put it, remember I told you about the slatted panel on the TV wall, right? On the other 3 walls, it's like, I don't want to paint, I wanted something more interesting. Linen look wallpaper in a solid color, that nice fabric you want to touch. It's a product that can be cleaned, just a damp cloth with a neutral cleaner, okay? So here you go. My tip is also not that colorful wallpaper that looks like a carnival. It's this style here that you should choose. And the links where you can buy the models I'm showing you here are down below in the description of this video. So don't give me any excuses now for decorating your house while spending very little, spending only what's necessary. Don't give me any excuses. All these products that I just showed you in this video, the links are down below in the description. They're affordable products, they're modern products, they're timeless products that, in my opinion, will never go out of style. All right? You can disagree with me or no problem at all, you can agree. But these are products that you'll always be able to have as decoration in your home. You'll be able to decorate your living room. Products that you'll have a use for, like for example, the Sideboard, the Ottoman. These are products that you'll always be using in your daily life. Functional. And you'll be able to spend very little to decorate the spaces in your home, especially your living room. So this video was requested by you guys. It's a special video. Don't make excuses for not decorating your home, especially your living room. Did you like it? Did you enjoy this video here? I'm sure you did. I told you it would be worth a like. So if you forgot to leave a like at the beginning of the video, do it now, like this video, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in our next video. Take care.